What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. We're back at it. Brand new video, brand new pickups. You already know what it is. I actually have a pretty early pickup. I actually managed to grab these over the weekend. Shout out to Nike sneakers for blessing your boy with this pickup right here. Managed to grab it a week early. These actually come out this Saturday. Is it this Saturday? No, I'm wrong. These actually come out next week. So we're pretty early with this. These come out May 30th. And yeah, man, your boy managed to grab him off of Nike sneakers. It was a shock drop, and these dropped on Sunday because, you know, it was the last two episodes of The Last Dance, so Nike decided why not drop a couple early. And it was weird because when they dropped, I kept checking my app, I kept closing my app, and it wouldn't pop up. So what I had to do was go to the web browser and grab them from there. So yeah, the app wasn't working. I know a lot of people were trying to get these, and yeah, I mean, you had to use the web browser. I believe they didn't even drop on the Nike sneakers app. I guess they were having problems or something. I don't know. But managed to grab a pair. These actually didn't even take that long to get here. I thought I was going to wait like a week or so, just like the Fire Red 5s. But these actually got here pretty quick. But yeah, if you guys don't know what these are, then I don't know what to tell you. It comes inside this gray box. There's a red Jumpman right in the middle. And yeah, we have the Air Jordan 13 Retros, Navy University Blue. Retail is $190. These are going to be $190 when they come out. A lot of people were actually waiting for Nike and Jordan Brand to re-retro these bad boys right here. And they finally did it. So I'm excited to take a look at these in hand. So let me take it out the box. Boom! We have the Flint 13s. Finally, Jordan Brand re-retro these, and I'm not gonna lie, man, these fire. You know, we gotta smell the shoes when we get brand new shoes. You know what I mean? I remember when I started getting into shoes, I remember seeing these. I remember seeing people rock these, and I always thought they were dope. I don't know, man. It's just something about that. This navy blue right here, and the white and the gray. It just looks very nice in my opinion. This right here is 3M. I'm gonna put some B-roll up so you guys can see the 3M of these bad boys. And obviously on the toe box we have some white leather. It's not that soft, I will say that. You have Jordan right there, right here. White laces, white tongue with kind of like this UNC blue Jumpman right there. Your inner liner is the dark navy blue, and then you have a gray suede, kind of like on the midsole, right here, and then you have more gray suede back here. And you have your bottom, white pods with a little bit of carbon fiber, and then you have that black Jumpman and that blue, I don't know, what do you call these? There's a black Jumpman inside this like blue sphere. And obviously you can't forget about the eye right here, which actually has the Jumpman in 23 on the holographic eye, or whatever you guys want to call that right there. It has a piece of plastic, so it won't get scratched up, but you have that there. If you guys know, if you guys own a pair of 13s, then you know. And yeah, man, that's the Flint 13s. Dope shoe in my opinion, definitely a dope colorway, and these were just must-haves. They just look very, very nice. I know a lot of people, some people are not really a big fan of 13s, but this colorway was definitely a must for me. And yeah, man, that is pretty much it for this video. Something real quick. You're probably going to see videos of these everywhere. Everybody's going to be making a video on these. And yeah, just a quick little look of the Flint 13s. These are dropping May 30th on a Saturday. If you guys want them, get them. Managed to grab this pair early. And this is definitely one of those shoes. If you guys want them, make sure to get them. Do your work. You should be able to get a pair, because these will sell out 100%. I can already see it. These are going to be selling out like pancakes. That is pretty much it. Just a little quick video. I do have a second video coming up on this pair right here, which I'm actually going to be recording right after this video ends. So if you see me with the same hoodie on, that's why. I'm recording them on the same day. And I'm actually pretty excited to open this box right here. I haven't opened it yet. But if you guys want to see what's inside this box, this white box right here, check out the next video. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new for more videos like this in the future, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.